One of the last families to relocate will be the Sumatran tigers. Father Fabi has lived here for 6 years. He shares the enclosure with his partner Kirana and their young cubs.
We have one male taupan who is really confident, like he must be number one of the three of them. And then Jaya is the other male cub. He's a bit more sort of observant. He likes to just kind of sit and take it all in. And then the female cub, Kasana, she's quite small, but she's also the most nervous. But she's very close to her mum. Sometimes you'll see the adult tigers out on an open bit of grass and the boys will be there playing with Dad and she will hang back. Fabs! Hello, darling. I know.
The tiger's new home cost £2 million to build. It has a vantage point, a swimming pool and heated rocks.
When we first saw the original designs, we were like, wow, you know, this is going to be brilliant for them. And it is a lovely enclosure, you know, but you have to kind of think of it from their point of view because this is their home and they're used to it.
Lucy has spent the past 4 months training the family to get used to the moving crates.
You all right? Good boy. Getting the right little monsters.
Her main concern is that little cub Kasana can cope with the upheaval.
Kasana? Oh, I don't think she's going to come in here with you monsters, is she? Little savages.
They are savages.
It's a bit more delicate working with Kasana because she's not so accepting of me. Is the crate empty yet? It can make her a bit jumpy. Okay. Hey, beautiful. Hello. Come on then, monkey. The tigers don't understand what's going to happen to them. For them, it's just a scary thing. Like, one day they go in the crate and they get some treats and they go out of the crate, and then one day they go in the crate and all of a sudden the crate's being moved around and lifted around on vehicles and it's noisy and it's scary. And, you know, for animals, it's a lot more frightening, I think, than it is for humans.
The tigers are getting their first sight of their brand new home. Dad Fabi is the first to investigate. But Mum Kirana and the cubs don't appear keen to follow him.
I hope that the relationships between them isn't strained because they're frightened and then they might take it out on each other. That's kind of how they are in the wild. They get a territory and then they want to be the biggest, baddest tiger.
Soon afterwards, male cubs Topan and Jaya follow their father.
They do sit and watch everything he does and try to copy him.
But little Kasana is nervous of leaving the den.
The female cub, because she is that bit more nervous, Krana has so much more patience with her than she does with the boys.
Eventually, Kasana ventures out. But when Mum leaves to find food, Kasana finds herself alone.
Animals, if they go through a bad experience and you've been sort of instrumental in that process, then you can lose their trust.